Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 31, tissues. In this worksheet we will discuss about complex permanent tissues and that are xylem and phloem. Jigyasa Didi, we have studied about permanent tissues, what are complex permanent tissues and what are their function in plants. जिज्ञासा दीदी से क्या पूछा ज्ञान पूछ रहे हैं what are complex permanent tissues and what are their function in plants. Gyan, as we know that complex permanent tissues are made up of more than one type of cells. All these cells work as a single unit and coordinate to perform a common specialized function in the plants. जिज्ञासा दीदी ने क्या बताया ज्ञान को? Complex permanent tissues are made up of more than one type of cells and all these cells work as a single unit and perform a common specialized function in the plant. These are of two types. First one is xylem and second one is phloem. These tissues are involved in the transportation of water, mineral and food from one part of the plant to other part of the plant. What is the main function of these complex permanent tissues? Is transportation of water, mineral and food from one part of the plant to other part of the plant. Therefore, these are also called conductive or vascular tissues. Generally, these tissues are located very close to each other in the plant and form the bundle. That is why they are also called vascular bundle. Conductive tissues is a distinct feature of the complex plants. ये क्या है बच्चों? डिस्टिंक्ट फीचर, सबसे अलग फीचर है कॉम्प्लेक्स प्लांट्स का. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन ऑफ जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम. सो जाइलम का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है? जाइलम इज मेड अप ऑफ 4 types of different cells. Xylem is the woody part of the plant and it consists of 4 types of cells. First one is xylem tracheids, second one is vessel, third one is xylem parenchyma and fourth one is xylem fiber. Except xylem parenchyma, other xylem cells become dead as they get mature. After maturity, these cells are become dead except xylem parenchyma. What is the function of xylem tissue? Tracheids and vessels of the xylem tissue transport water and mineral vertically from root to other parts of the plant. And xylem parenchyma stores food and helps in lateral transport. What do you mean by lateral transport? Lateral transport means sideways conduction of water and mineral. So these are the two functions of xylem. Now we will discuss the structure of phloem. Phloem is made up of 4 different types of cells which are also known as component or elements of the phloem. These are these 4 types of cells are: first one is sieve tubes, second one is companion cells, third one is phloem parenchyma and fourth one is phloem fiber. Except phloem fiber, all other component of phloem are living cells. Now what are the function of phloem cells? Phloem transport food from leaves to other parts of the plants, which is known as translocation of food. This process is known as translocation of food. Phloem is unlike xylem is that material can move in both the direction in the phloem. So these are the function of phloems. Now we will discuss question answer. First question is, What are companion tissue, complex tissues? Name them. What are complex tissues, बच्चों? Complex tissues are made up of more than one type of cells, and all these cells are work as a single unit and coordinate to perform a common function. These are of two types. First one is xylem and second one is phloem. Your second question is, what are vascular tissues and vascular bundle? Vascular tissues क्या होते हैं और vascular bundle क्या होते हैं? So what are vascular tissues बच्चों? Xylem and phloem tissues are involved in the transportation of water, mineral and food from one part of the plant to other part of the plant. Therefore, they are called conductive or vascular tissues. And these conductive tissues are located very close of each other in the plant and form a bundle. That is why they are known as vascular bundle. Your third question is, name the component of xylem tissues and also write their function. So what are the components of xylem tissues? There are 4 components of xylem tissues. First one is xylem tracheids, second one is vessels, third one is xylem parenchyma and fourth one is xylem fiber. And what are the function of these cells, these xylem tissues? First function is tracheids and vessels of xylem. Xylem tissues transport water and mineral vertically from root to other parts of the stem or other parts of the plant. And second function is xylem parenchyma store food and helps in lateral transport. Your next question is, differentiate between xylem and phloem tissues. You have to write the difference between xylem and phloem tissues. So, first difference is their structures. Xylem consists of tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fiber, while the phloem consists of seed tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fiber. Next is xylem transport water and minerals from root to other parts of the plant or root to the stem. The phloem transport food from leaves to the other parts of the plant. Third, xylem tissues transport water and minerals vertically, while the phloem transport materials in both the directions. Fourth, xylem cells are dead cells except xylem parenchyma, while the phloem cells are living cells except phloem fiber. Thanks for watching.